Welcome to How to Web. Looking to build a mini app on Telegram? Let's get started. I'll display the steps on the screen. Make sure you follow each one of them carefully. First, set up Telegram bot. Open Telegram and search for bot father. Use the /new bot command, name your bot, and get the token. Choose your framework. For beginners, Telegram's bot API is a great start. Advanced developers can use MT Proto for more control. Write the code. Use programming languages like Python, Node.js, or Java. Libraries like Python Telegram bot or Telegraph.js make this easier. Develop commands, callbacks, and integrations with APIs for your app features. Host your mini app now. Deploy your app using services like Heroku, AWS, or a personal server. Test and deploy. Test thoroughly using Telegram's debug mode. Then share your bot with the users. And there you go. Let us know how your mini app turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.